and Lex.
And today we getting all monkey, we getting funky, boy.
And today we're gonna just be asking guys to rate us 1 through 10. Run to some females, 1 to 10. You already know. But yeah, we just gonna hop straight into the video. So
Female. That's how let's be like females.
no, that's you.
But I'm just like.
2? Wait, who
Right now,
wants to
go subscribe to my YouTube channel at that kid Toby with 2 D's, you feel me?
He forgot his
Just hit
username.
320K, you feel me? Let's run that shit up to 400K, you feel me? Gang shit, nigga. Bang bang, nigga.
Get out.
Talking to cute boys on monkey. Go ahead.
Hey, what's
I don't
up?
want season
Where you at?
I don't need it.
At home?
Yeah,
Hey, friend me.
Alright.
Go have those. I have a mega.
Hurry. Okay, good.
Why can't we see your face?
I don't know. I ain't got a face.
You ain't got a
I
face.
just have a voice.
A voice.
That's
You
cool.
don't have it?
I'm just playing. Get in the camera, fool.
I can't get in the camera.
And
What do
you
you
don't
sound
have
like?
I don't know.
Why can't you get in the camera?
It's broke.
It's broke. You lying.
You don't have.
It's not broke because I just seen your fan.
Right.
So
Tell him
I
rate
should've
you.
been blacked out.
Tell him to rate you.
You don't have.
Hey, can you rate us 1 to 10? Her first.
This?
Can I rate you?
Yeah.
Rate you from what? What numbers?
1 to 10. You need
1
numbers.
to 10.
10.
Yeah.
Is
Oh, okay.
10 being the best or number 1 being the best?
10 is
10
the
being the
best.
One
best.
person who has it.
Alright, let's see.
I don't know, like
I give you
anybody
an
with this
8.5.
set.
Got what?
8.5.
Oh, what about me?
Thanks, I guess.
Yeah,
I bet.
you look like a bumblebee, a queen bumblebee. I give you a...
Somebody else just said that to her
That's
today.
so funny.
I give you
A 9 and I get it.
that. Don't.
Oh, it didn't record, Lex. You have to stop it before you click peace out. I already told you this.
Really? How do you know that?
I've seen people do it, nigga.
Okay, that one didn't record, so.
Oh my goodness.
It didn't even show his face, but we got the next one.
Did you record it? Did you start the recording before you
Put
went
on the
to
steel
click accept?
site.
Sorry,
No, ain't no sorry.
Oh shit, I'm about to fall. You keep
Hey.
pushing this. Hey.
What's up?
I don't
Hey,
even
y'all
want
should ask
this.
her at us a friend.
Friend.
You don't even have this,
Alright.
kid.
Could you rate us? Oh, we from New York.
Damn, I need to go to New York. You try to be like that.
I'm
I'm
dead.
dead.
Could you rate me 1 through 10?
Y'all 10s.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
You know, save it. Here, go up.
You don't have this.
My nigga just straight peace out. That shit funny, boy.
Okay, next
With
one.
the jacket and
Oh, where's
everything,
your
you don't
name?
even have the mask yet.
What the hell?
What are you doing?
Can you rate me 1 through 10? Friend me.
Friend me.
Friend me now. Friend me now.
Oh,
Okay, good.
oh my gosh. What?
At least you got that one. Friend me now. What the
Friend
hell?
me now.
Slime shit. Slime. Hitters.
Evelyn?
Evelyn. Tiggs. Taji's.
Can
I
you
don't
hold it
like
like
that
this,
thing.
please?
I only want it for the wings.
shit.
Hold it like this. Hey, girl. Head ass. Tyler.
I'm lying if I said I didn't want it. I could tell by your eyes.
Come on, man.
Yeah, we good.
How much minutes?
Wait, look here. Look here, Em.
Hey, girl.
Look here.
Me.
I got you.
Okay.
There. What are you doing?
Tiffany, what about you, pretty girl?
Thank you. What'd you say you were doing?
I'm chilling with my sister.
Oh, for real? Yeah, just chilling. That's lit.
Yeah.
So we're doing this thing on YouTube.
What?
We're doing this thing on YouTube where we're making people rate us 1 through 10, like how we look. Could you do that for us?
Yeah, I'll rate you.
You said what?
Wait, what?
Yeah, 1 to 10. Rate us 1 to 10.
Okay, I rate you, full, you full, and then let me see the other one, and you too.
Oh, okay,
Thank you, girl.
That's love pretty.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
You are too, girl.
Thank you.
I'm dead.
She's cute. She's scary-ish, right? She's shy,
Yeah, she's a
right?
little shy. I'll hold this one.
Where are we going, kid?
Sorry for my laugh. That shit just got me rolling.
Boy, if you don't get
Oh my.
This my shit. All the girls.
Oh my.
Nothing, just
Goofy. You
It's
can put,
'cause
you can
it's-
put your backpack under it, like so. It'll...
Are you fucking with me, bruh? You kidding me, bruh?
Excuse me.
Sorry, man. I need 2 phones for this. My name Shimon and it, yeah.
Oh shit.
We sound kind of good. Harmonizing right next to each other, no cap. I know y'all heard that.
What is this?
All I got is a revolver.
Oh, I saw somebody else look like this too. Hello?
I got a cart.
What is this?
I can't hear you, G.
What the?
She
Oh,
recording
next
it.
one.
Oh, there's 2 cars over here, Ricky.
I'll hold it.
You're pretty.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You look a twin.
I don't want
No,
No,
friend
I'm
us. Click friend links.
Friend us.
Shut up. Found it.
Could you rate me 1 through 10?
10.
Thanks,
Amy?
girls. Y'all are sweet.
What about me?
10.
Girl,
give me
you a 10. Both of y'all 10. I can't even see her face. The other one. I can't see her face though.
Nah, but I'm ugly though.
No, don't call yourself ugly. No, do.
Hey, go get on my jet.
Oh, he hit me with the revolver.
Ooh, too fine Latina.
Really, nigga?
Friend.
I one
I'm not
We're not
Latina.
Latina.
What are you? What are you?
Click friend. Friend us. Friend
Friend us.
us.
Friend us.
Friend us.
I friend y'all.
Oh,
My fault.
Big booty hoes.
Big booty hoes.
we're African and Asian.
Are y'all grown?
Yeah. Nah, we not. I mean, I don't know what's
Can y'all
considered
come
grown.
to school?
Really, nigga?
Come scoop. Where you stay?
Where you at?
Really, nigga?
Where you stay? What
Yeah,
state you
let's do
in?
that. Let's do that.
What city you in?
Boy, what state you in, boy?
I'm in Texas.
Me too. What part? Forward?
I'm over there about 4 hours.
You lying.
Let's just get
What
rap
up?
and then keep rapping.
For real? You live in Fort Worth.
Make that come scoop. It's
Oh,
2
no.
of us.
Really, nigga?
Okay, what's the move?
No,
It's
it's
all us
that.
into y'all.
We can't see y'all. Can we
Come
see y'all?
scoop.
I know.
Hey, buy us a hotel.
Really, nigga?
But rate us.
Okay, I'm gonna piece out these niggas.
Yeah, they weird.
They're
Actually.
weird.
I'm making
No
conversation with
backplate?
these bums. Now, I don't mean to copy
Do you
bums,
follow
but they
everything?
weird. It's not really
They're weird.
I don't even like
Alright,
these
not
people.
even an
bro.
umbrella.
Some of them I like, but I don't like them. Some of them. Like them females cool. I don't like you people though. Answer the phone. Beautiful profile picture.
Hey.
Hey, friend me. She's no friend. Friend me. What you doing?
Oh, we got it. We got it. I'm on.
Where y'all from?
New York.
Yeah, New York.
Oh, yeah, that's what's up.
Where you?
Tennessee.
Tennessee. That's what's up.
Hey, can you rate us 1 to
6'9"
10?
get his ass beat up.
What'd you say?
Why 6'9" get beat up?
Really, nigga?
Because I mean everybody wants his money.
Damn. That's fucked up.
I know. That's the truth though, right?
Hello.
I'm saying.
I like your
I
face.
just. got this game
you like my
a week
face?
ago.
Thank you. Wait, if you could rate me 1 through 10, if you could rate me 1 through
Wait,
10,
how,
what would you
how
say?
do I jump? What button is
You
it?
said what?
If you could rate me
Oh,
1 through
wait,
10, what would
X,
you say?
Right? Yeah. X?
10.
Thank you.
No.
Ask her.
it's-
I mean,
it's
how
A,
about her?
A. Wait, no, X. I'm
You like
sorry.
a 9.
A 9? Damn.
You look like someone, fool.
But I don't play this game.
Who, me?
Really, nigga?
Yeah. No, I'm talking to Casper. I'm talking to you. Yeah.
Wait, what's this balloon thing?
Somebody you know.
Yeah.
What's
Oh,
that?
Sorry.
it's okay.
We don't have time for you to be flirting with these niggas.
I'm not flirting.
Let me talk. Hey.
I got a cart.
Good. Friend me.
I'm 21.
You said you're 21? Lit, I'm 18. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
I can hear you.
Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Show your face.
A 10.5.
10.5? Alright.
How about me?
What about her?
Yes. Well, who right here?
Really, nigga?
Yeah.
10, you're a good 10.5. Y'all all fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm doing.
Oh, hell no!
Who the fuck said
Who
that?
the fuck is Wait, hold on. Give me the phone. Who the phone? Pass the phone. Hey. Hey.
Hell no.
Why you say psych, bitch? What you talking about?
Hey, right here. Come here.
Wait. Wait, shorty that was talking. Who? They don't want smoke because I come with harder smoke. Like, she done?
Act like you don't know. Like, hold your
What'd you say?
the whole time. Don't even sprint.
No, okay, nobody's talking. I thought I heard something. I didn't like.
Yeah.
I thought I did, but she got quiet now. Outside.
Yeah, go try hard.
they froze. They stuck.
She's scared
On
for
my-
real.
She seen me. She's like, oh, never mind.
She don't want no smoke. All right then.
She don't
All right,
no,
y'all.
peace out yet. No, peace out, nigga. Bro, I like it whenever they try to talk because
Why?
I like roasting them and they don't have nothing to say. You shouldn't have done
nothing to say.
My ear just popped. She said, psych, bitch. No, nigga, you don't call me bitch. You
Don't come for us, man.
I was trying to give her the word, you know what I'm saying? I checked it real quick. She got quiet in a hole.
Hey.
Hey, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Friend me. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
I'm 10.
Huh?
Can you rate me 1 to
I'm
10?
10 years old.
Rate you?
Yeah.
You know you're a 10.
I'm a 10. Thank you.
How about
I'm
me?
not fake.
You're
I
a
just
10
started,
too.
like,
Together,
a
y'all
week
10.
ago.
Y'all 2 10s.
I'm good. Thank you.
Y'all equal 20.
Really, nigga?
What y'all doing?
You said y'all equal 20.
Oh, we just chilling right now.
Where y'all from?
New York.
New York.
I need to come to New York.
For real?
Yeah, it's like.
Now you gotta trick them with the, oh, you wanna call, oh,
No, I'll be like, yes.
oh, at time you up, gosh.
Look alive.
On the video, can we do that?
Hey. Friend me. Lex.
Friend me. Friend us.
Friend us. Friend us.
Friend us now. I sound so thirsty.
I know, you sound thirsty as fuck.
But the time
I'm
gonna run
buying the
out.
Love Range. I
See
don't care.
what, see what happens?
Hey,
Oh shit, they're recording the video.
a first aid kit.
Hey.
Do you want this first aid kit? Here.
How old are you? Oh, you're cute.
Sight is the wrong move.
Thank you. Oh, time. But, I mean. To fall and. What's that?
I'm gonna do just me first.
Is it recording still? Hmm?
Yes. Hey.
Honey.
Thank you. So are you. What you doing, girl?
Thank you.
Oh, add me.
Oh, whoops. I'm
Oh,
about to
leave
fall. I
recording.
cannot sit on.
You saw that?
Trying. Playing a victim. Why question I can't take
Okay, we have 2
it.
minutes left.
Hello?
Ricky, don't go.
Hello?
I'm talking to some hot fries.
Hey, hot fries.
And ask them how to do
Alright.
stuff.
We're not doing
What
more.
does this do?
No.
That's long enough, right?
Yeah.
Do we get 10s or what?
Yeah, we got a lot of 10s.
Boy.
People are really nice, man.
Yeah.
Last time we saw a lot of nudity. I'm surprised that didn't happen when we recorded, but
yeah.
and a lot of people recognized us last time. Like it's like
Yeah.
every time we record, it's a whole different thing. But
Yeah.
yeah, if y'all enjoyed that video, let us know in the comments below. Comment what we should do next. Oh, probably finna upload this like a couple days from now. Well, we take a minute. I don't know. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for more videos.
I'll probably edit it quick, but alright, y'all. We love y'all. Gang, love, and peace. Oh, my nails look like sheet.
Humanity. Oh.
Prankable! Alright? Don't record me. I'll break that camera because I'm not getting pranked, nigga. So I'm trying to record me.
Okay, then
You
move.
cannot prank me!
And we
That
look
nigga's
here.
trying to comment on that shit saying prank me, nigga. You ain't pranking me, nigga. I'm unprankable, son.